Hi, I'm Kate, and today I'll be working with a group of 8th grade scientists to disprove some commonly held misconceptions about our solar system. Follow me. Learning about cyclical movements within our solar system help us correct a few commonly held misconceptions.
Define gravity.
It's what holds the universe together.
Explain why the moon, sun, and Earth have different gravitational forces.
Well, the Earth rotates around or revolves around the sun, and the moon the Earth rotates, and then the moon.
Gravity is a force pulling together all matter. Yeah.
What are the 8 phases of the moon?
I learned this in 5th grade.
Do you know, how can you predict the 8 phases of the lunar cycle? This is a model of revolution.
This is a model of rotation, which is the movement that causes day and night.
Andre, and I'm here to ask you some questions about science.
Okay.
What are ocean tides?
What are ocean tides? Well, they have to do with the gravitational pull of the Earth and the Moon.
Correct.
All right. What else?
What are the misconceptions about what causes ocean tides?
The misconceptions. That I don't know. I don't have any misconceptions about what causes the tides.
Thank you for answering these questions.
You're very welcome.
Have a nice day. Does the sun have anything to do with ocean tides?
I don't think so.
Tides.
Low tides are when the gravity of the moon pulls the water from the ocean back and the water is further out to sea, or the ocean, or whatever. That's low tide. And there's no water.
Correct. What are high tides?
High tide is when the gravitational force of the moon is less and the waters of the ocean are further towards shore.
Correct. Do you know the 8 phases of the moon?
New, full, waning crescent, waxing crescent, waning gibbous, waning gibbous, waxing gibbous, first and third quarter.
Hello, my name is Kamondre. Do you know what are the 8 phases of the moon?
Okay, there's full moon, new moon, waning gibbous, waxing crescent, waning crescent, first quarter and third quarter.
Correct. Have a nice day.
Phases of the lunar cycle.
8 phases of the lunar cycle.
You got it passed?
Full moon, half moon, quarter moon, and that's all that I know, if that's even right.
How many days does it take the lunar cycle to complete its full rotation?
I would say 10.
Thank you.
This is a model of the lunar cycle. There are 8 phases in the lunar cycle, and it takes 28 days to complete it. It starts with the new moon, then goes to waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full, waning gibbous, third quarter, waning crescent, and new moon, and it travels in a counterclockwise direction. From each phase, it takes 3.5 days to go to the next one. So it takes 3.5 days to go from new moon to waxing crescent to first quarter, and so on and so forth. It takes a full 28 days to complete the lunar cycle. But it takes 14 days to go from new to full.
Some people think that seasons are caused by the rotation of the Earth, when really it is caused by the orbit and the tilt of the axis.
In a quarter moon, only half the moon is illuminated, but since we only see half the actual moon, it's called a quarter moon.
Hello guys. Some of the misconceptions about ocean tides are that Most people think it's the sun, but actually it's the moon.
The misconception of rotation is when people think that the Earth revolves around the sun and the moon revolves around the sun, but really, it's when the Earth revolves and the moon revolves around the Earth.
Cyclical movement defines everything in our solar system, including lunar phases, seasonal changes, and day and night. That's why it's so important for our universe to stay the way it is.
Thanks for watching, LHJH.